As I'm recording this video today, it's actually my husband's birthday. And it's very usual concept, or the first thing that comes to someone who calls and wishes is, oh, what gift did you receive? What did your partner give you? What did your spouse give you as a gift? And I was thinking, we have been married for 16 plus years, and I've been thinking today as we were driving down from temple that we visited, and I was wondering, what is it truly this year? What is it that we have given as gift? And it is at that point in time that struck me that not just this year, but since the last 16 plus years, if there is one gift, that which we have been giving each other for the last 16 years on our birthdays, on our anniversaries, is time with and for each other. Now you must be wondering, if you're watching this, you must be wondering, what's so special about it? What's so special about it is on these special days, we don't go to work. We intentionally take a day off and spend time together. It is not about what we do together. We might probably just sit at home and probably have some conversations, reflections, chat, laugh together, watch probably watch something on Netflix, or together we do things together. But the ideal point is that the time that we are intentionally choosing and giving on these special occasions, what else can be a more precious gift? I think we live in an era where there are a lot of things day in and day out that we do for our family, for our friends, for our kids. How in all of this that we do, sometimes we get lost if both the partners are able to take time for each other and spend it intentionally and meaningfully. And when you do this consciously, consistently, and intentionally, I think it is those moments that will play a huge role in bridging any gap that has been created through the course of years, in dissolving any ego clashes that might have happened intentionally, unintentionally, and it also strengthens the bond. So probably today's one is not about any education in its own way, but it is something for you to think. So if you have to think about a time when you spent intentionally with your partner, with your spouse, what was it? Share it in the comments below, because I think in an era of digitalization, which is good in its own way, should we choose to intentionally take time for each other and spend it, I think it is worth more than any present that can be given. Think of this, your presence is more valuable than any present. Agree or agree? Let me know in the comments below.